Na kaming Casbigi, so magta-transfer tayo ng sasakyan. So ito yung area dito sa stopover.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show.
So ito na yung pinaka-tuktok ng pinuntahan natin, Casbigi.
To je fotka.
So ito na yun, ito yung view. Ayan, yung view.
But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa.
Ang banda, nandun pa yung snow. Ito, snow. Ang lamig dito, ang lamig. Malamig ko nag-jacket. So nandito tayo ngayon sa tawid. Meron ditong flag. Ayan guys, look at the view. Ayan yung pinuntahan natin kanina. Punta tayo dito sa flag. Sa flag ni Jose Rizal. So kahit dito merong aso, kahit saan merong aso, tulugan yung aso. So this is our last view dito sa Casbigi. So makikita nyo nga, nandito yung flag ng Georgia. Tapos dito sa likod ko yun yung church ng lalagay na lang natin dito sa description. Napaka June ngayon 2025. Sa city medyo mainit, summer, pero dito now is 2 o'clock, medyo mararamdaman pa talaga yung lamig. Malamig pa rin talaga dito sa area na to. Kasi doon sa bukid na yun, andun may snow pa doon. Ngayong June, so makikita mo pa yung snow. Pero sa area na to wala na. Pero malamig, hindi tayo nakapagdala ng jacket. Pero okay lang, carry lang naman yung lamig niya. Nangingirot yung lamig. So mas maganda pag may jacket. So yun lang yung update natin dito. Thank you so much for watching.